have my own cabin here inside the monorail. Hi everybody and welcome to the world of Micah. Today we are heading to the Magic Kingdom to have lunch at Sleepy Hollow Refreshments, one of my all-time favorite places for breakfast and lunch and a quick snack. After lunch, I'm going to venture over to the Splash Mountain gift shop, see what kind of merchandise they have left. Lately, a lot of people have been getting here and racking up on this merchandise, so I want to show you guys exactly what they have to offer. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you're new. If you would like to support my channel, my Patreon link is down below in the description box. Now, let's take a closer look. The way they have the monorail set up now, you go up and tell them how many is in your party, and then they will put your entire party in a cabin. Getting ready to head inside the Contemporary Resort. It's been a long time since I've been in the Contemporary Resort. Last few times I have been to the Magic Kingdom, I have taken the ferry boat. Oh, there's Mickey. See him right there? I always take the ferry boat because that was one of the things Walt Disney loved. He loved the monorail, but the ferry boat was one of the original concepts for getting into this place. It's been a long time since I've seen that. Wow. Good old Mary Blair's painting. Check that out, the Contempo Cafe, completely marked off with where to stand and where to wait in line. Getting a little hungry. As soon as we get off the monorail, gonna head over to Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. Sleepy Hollow, here we come. It's always been one of my favorite places to not only get breakfast, but a great place to get a snack and lunch. And I think today we're gonna do lunch here at Sleepy Hollow. That seems like the ticket, chicken and waffles. Every time I step in Liberty Square, I can't help but think of Ichabod Crane and the story of Sleepy Hollow, which is near dear to my heart because I proposed to Abby on Halloween night in front of the Headless Horseman here at Walt Disney World. In fact, right here next to the Christmas shop is a sign that says music and voice lessons by appointment only, Ichabod Crane, instructor. Oh, it's time for lunch. I love the logo here. Take a look. It's got the Headless Horseman on top. Taking a closer look at the menu here, $17.90 Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. I'm gonna go with the sweet and spicy chicken waffle sandwich. Comes with chips, and I believe Abby is gonna go with the fresh fruit waffle sandwich. It has Nutella or chocolate hazelnut spread on this, but they do have iced coffees here, lemonade, all kinds of different things. It's pretty good. Not only do they have breakfast and sweets, but they do have savory items like footlong corn dogs and the chicken and waffle. So all kinds of good things to eat here, and this will give you a photographic imagery of what it looks like. Funnel cake with everything on it, and the fresh fruit waffle, the Mickey waffle, the corn dog, and this is what I get right here. And this is the sweet and spicy chicken waffle. It's got coleslaw, and you use the waffle as the sandwich. And this is the Nutella with the banana, strawberry on a waffle. There's blueberries in there as well. They got some chips. They come with my chicken waffle sandwich, but we're gonna share them. They're pretty good, the housemaid's chips here, and we are seated underneath the awning here, so we're okay from the rain. You just fold it over. Good. Oh yeah. How is it as you take a bite?
It's really good. The waffle is super thin, so it's not like a normal waffle where it's super thick. It's really, really good. I'm a big fan of Nutella.
Yeah.
So this is my heaven.
I used to get that in the morning for breakfast.
Oh, if I could have this every day for breakfast, I'd be happy.
Yeah. And they have iced coffees here. We have a friend. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. See you later. There's something very inviting yet just a little eerie about Sleepy Hollow Refreshments. And I think that's why I'm drawn to it. Just hits home. I love it. Abby and I really do enjoy the tale of Sleepy Hollow. And to have a little restaurant that we can stop off at that's all about Sleepy Hollow makes it that much better. As you can see, the line has gotten significantly longer. This is a great place to go early in the morning, let me tell you. If you get here in the park early, have some time to kill, get breakfast here. There's usually no one here. It's fresh, and it'll definitely keep you full. Lunch was fantastic, but I'm gonna head over to Frontierland, see what they have as far as Splash Mountain merchandise goes. Maybe we'll see some country bears on the way. Look at this guy up here. Hey, it's been a long time. Good to see you back home. I'm glad to be here too. The show was fantastic. Love this place. Good to see you. I gotta go buy some Splash Mountain merchandise. Yep, it's time. Yeah, oh yeah. See you, buddy. Can't forget about you either. So good to see you. Welcome home. Enjoy the show. I love it. I'll see you guys later, all right? Bye. It's time to go do some Splash Mountain shopping. Going in to see what is left. Plenty of rare rabbit. And there's a rare bear right there. And the Funkos are here. Definitely grabbed a 30th anniversary Splash Mountain Funko. Look at the poster there, it's pretty cool. And Brer Rabbit and Brer Bear are coming home with me and Abby. Now this is the frame they also have here. And the t-shirts are only youth sizes. Look at that, old school. Brer Rabbit wooden sign. And this is the mug. Today's forecast, chance of showers. And it has the bluebird on the inside. All right, Splash Mountain merchandise. We got you. Is that Liver Lips? Oh my goodness. So good to see you. And Al. Wow. Love the show, guys. Big fan. Big fan. Good to see you, Al. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out Sleepy Hollow, one of my favorite spots in the Magic Kingdom to grab breakfast and lunch. Next time you're here, I highly recommend checking it out, even if you get a little snack or an iced coffee. All my links are down below, and I will see you guys on a brand new episode of World of Micah tomorrow. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.